how to get rid of white line on the bottom of your Samsung's display. So if you are annoyed by this white line on the bottom of the screen, which is for gesture and navigation, I'm going to show you how you can remove it. Let's get started. So firstly, just swipe up to open your app drawer and here find settings. Let me just click on settings and now scroll a bit down till display. In display we can see many customization features, but we are looking for a navigation bar. So go ahead and swipe down till the navigation bar. And now you should see that you have selected swipe gestures. It will be indicated by the little blue dot. So this line stands for swipe gestures and you can use it to open recents, to go to the home screen. Now, if you are updated to the latest version, then you won't be able to see feature gesture hint, which were here before. This feature allowed us to still be able to select gesture navigation, but get rid of the white lines, so you will see just an empty screen. But they removed this feature, and now with the new update, the only option for you to get rid of this line is to switch back to the buttons. So I'm going to show you swipe gestures again, and if I click on more option, I got only option to increase or decrease gesture sensitivity, but not to remove the line itself. So again, the only way how you can get rid of it is to switch back to the buttons, and here you can also change button order. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.